Good morning all. So to give this video a crack at a go and see what happens. Yeah, should we try it out and see how it works? You can let me know what you think. This is just a setup from the 2011 question C3 higher level. I know most of you have it done, but I just said I was running through it for someone and I said I'd just run through a few little bits and pieces on it. This common thing that comes up on lots of these questions. Given the pitch for surface A, 50 degrees, you're able to draw for surface B that edge and that line, but you don't know where this stops. Okay? You just remember on these roof geometry or surface geometry questions, the top edge of a surface, generally called the ridge. There's the top edge of that surface, also the ridge. We know that this and this line are going to stop at the same height. I know that by looking at the question. I can find the height for surface A. I'm told it's 50 degrees, so the usual rule applies. Look along the base edge, which is sitting on the ground. Because that's sitting on the ground, that's a true length line. Look along the true length line, it appears as a point view. Set up my angle of 50 degrees. Extend it up. It extends until it reaches that line there, which gives me this height. So my red height H, I've marked in there. Okay, so I now know that surface B must reach the same height of H. Okay, I have the base edge. This is sitting on the horizontal plane. So once again, I know that is a true length line because it's sitting on the ground. Look in along the true length line. Set up my X1, Y1. This was at 45 degrees, so this was also at 45 degrees. I'm told the pitch of surface B is 50 degrees. So I've set up my 50 degree angle. Draw it out along there like that. And now I know that surface B is going to reach the same height as surface A, which is height H. So I've taken my height H, marked it perpendicularly off the ground over here. Remember the X1, Y1 here represents the same as the XY here, the ground, or the horizontal plane. Marked up height H, brought it across to hit my 50 degree line. The point at which it hits, that's the top of surface B, because it's at the same height as the top of surface A. Take that point, bring it back to the plan. Where it intersects with the top edge of A, obviously gives me the common point on both ridges. And then that allows me to draw my line of intersection, which is going from a height of H. So that point there is a height of H, down as far as the ground, which is a height of 0. And that is my line of intersection. Okay, we're going to use that for the dihedral angle, but other than that, hopefully that makes sense. So same height for both surfaces. Okay, and always remember, the heights have to be marked perpendicular to the surface. Okay, let me know if that makes sense. Thank you.